Hey guys, what's up? So, this time when I tried to boot up my PC, it got stuck on that starting Windows or loading screen. You know that part where the Windows logo shows up with the spinning dots? Yeah, it just froze there. I waited thinking maybe they'll boot after some time, but nope, even after a few hours nothing happened. Then it suddenly showed preparing automatic repair, diagnosing your PC, and finally that blue screen saying your PC did not start correctly. At that point I was like, okay, this looks bad. But after checking everything, I actually found out it wasn't a Windows bug or system error, it was a hardware issue. Let me explain. If you've got multiple SSDs or hard drives connected to your PC, sometimes Windows gets confused about which drive to boot from. That's exactly what happened to me. So here's what I did. I turned off my PC completely, unplugged my SSDs and hard drives one by one, and booted the PC each time. And boom, the issue was with my Crucial SSD. As soon as I removed it, my system booted perfectly fine. No loading screen, no automatic repair, just straight into Windows. So yeah, if your PC is also stuck on that, starting Windows or diagnosing your PC screen, don't panic. Just try disconnecting your extra drives one by one. It's a simple hardware mix up that can cause this whole mess. I said that's how I fixed my problem. If it helps you, hit the like button, subscribe. I post more easy PC fix videos like this. And if you're still stuck, drop a comment. I'll try to reply and help you out.